Well, Uber drivers can now get guaranteed pay. So this is a big update for a lot of drivers. Thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers on this channel. And I wanted to make this video to show you, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker, how you can now get guaranteed pay. So I'll have a link below how to opt in for the guaranteed pay. But without further ado, let's get started. So a lot of you may have heard us talk about Solo in the past. So this company actually, we have so many new viewers here who don't realize that if you're a gig worker, you can now have an opportunity to receive hundreds of extra dollars, not per month, per week, sometimes per day. You can go out and you can see this right here. They have these this app has scheduled shifts. You can link your Uber account. This is not fake news. This is real news. Sign up, link your Uber account, link your DoorDash account, link your Lyft account, Uber Eats, Instacart, and you can start signing up for these little shifts. 37 bucks an hour. I can't tell you how many times I've gone out and only made like 5 or 10 bucks doing Uber Eats in a whole hour because, the pay is so little. So this company is basically creating this whole new gig economy for gig workers. Now, I need to preface this by saying it is not nationwide. However, they just recently expanded to like 7 new cities. So they're expanding like rapidly. So you want to make sure that you do sign up, and even if they're not in your area, it's going to help them be able to expand to that area because they need more drivers in order to do that. They don't want to just go nationwide and then go bankrupt or shut down. So and also when you sign up with their link, they're going to send you $10 simply for signing up for free. So you can actually get $10 just for trying it out, and it's totally free. They have a free nationwide app. So check that out. Get your $10. You got to link your gig account first to get your 10 bucks. It has really good reviews. Obviously some 1 stars, I'm assuming from people who sign up and don't realize that the guaranteed pay feature isn't available in their area. They also have automated mileage tracking. So you have heard me talk about taxes on here. The biggest mistake that a lot of drivers make, they don't track their miles. They're not, getting the proper tax write-offs. So Solo actually helps you manage your income, track your miles, and basically, this is the best business app for gig workers. So they manage the money side of things. So if you're not good at managing your money, I know sometimes you don't want to run the numbers. You don't want to, calculate how much you're spending in gas, how many miles you're putting in a car. It's just like a whole nother, I'd rather have somebody else do it. So that's where Solo comes in. And again, yeah, you're going to get $10 just for checking it out. And if you're in one of the areas, you can start signing up for these shifts today. I think, yeah, sign up, link your gig account, and then go do it. So anyways, wanted to make this quick video. Let me know if you're using it. They're not currently in, Southern California, but I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that they do come to SoCal soon. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.